Let's face it, video games have taken over our world, and mobile gaming has become a very popular choice for most people. It's super easy because you've always got either a smartphone or a tablet in your hand. Today I'm going to show you how to set up mobile game streaming so you can stream to either YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, or if you want to, you can stream them all together at the same time. This is super easy and simple to do, and it's 100% free. The first thing that you want to do is download the program which will allow you to do mobile game streaming. Go to your app store and go to your search button and type out Omelette Arcade. Click on download. Once it's done downloading, open up the program. It's initially going to ask you to create an account or skip, but I would recommend just click on create an account, and all you will need to actually do is enter a username. You don't have to put in a password or email or anything like that initially. Accept allowing notifications from Omelette Arcade. Click on the X to bypass this screen. It will ask you if you want to select any games that you're interested in, or you can just click on skip. To set up your accounts for your first live stream, click on the plus sign at the bottom and then click on go live. If you don't already have screen record enabled on your iPhone or iPad, you will have to go into your settings and enable this. Go into settings, control center, customize controls, and if you don't already have it selected at the top, you'll have to go on to the bottom, click on the green plus sign, and that will enable screen recording. Back in Omelette Arcade, you're going to be asked to log into your account. You can stream to just one platform, or you can do two or all three of them at the same time. Finish the steps to log into your account or accounts, and make sure you accept all permissions. Once you have completed all that, click on done in the top left corner. You'll be prompted with this screen, just click on skip. At this point, I would recommend going and launching the game that you're planning on streaming. After you've launched that game, pull up or down your control center and long press the screen record button. It will then ask you if you want to screen record to your camera roll, but you're going to select Omelette Arcade. If you look to the right, you can see that there's a microphone option where you can actually turn your microphone on so you can chat back with people who are watching your stream. After you've chosen those options, all you have to do is start broadcast. And that's it. You are set, and you are now mobile live game streaming to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Let me know in the comments down below if this worked for you or if you have any questions. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.